to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, Barbara Long.
I was just wanting to ask, like, Dean, this isn't pertaining to, you know, what we're not supposed to talk to about, okay? But Dean was there in an investigation in May 2007, and he told Burley's to move my mobile home from the site, and he never told me. No one ever told me, or I would have moved my home. I was wondering if you could ask Dean why he never did that, okay? And another thing about the people that was here last month, they can't build a garage on their home, and I was wondering if landlords is a flood zone, because that's in front of my trailer. So if you could please hand that up to them. I took that picture in the middle of the night. And here's another one too. Thank you. So, and I'd like to talk to Brad about that, because I know where it came from, okay? And I do want to work this out, you know. Me and my son has been through a lot, you know. I wanted somebody to work with me a long time ago, and I got the runaround. I was lied to. So, that's all I have to say. I just wonder how this could go on. It's not fair to other people that have to abide by the ordinances, but at this man that's running the mobile home park out there can do whatever he wants. I mean, he can dig a hole and poison us and get away with it. And I want some kind of justice. I want him charged. And Dean led me to believe that he was doing that, and he hasn't.
Well,
and then I can stop.
We don't have no answers because Brad ain't here.
Okay, well, could you please have him call me?
I can tell him.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Barbara.
I'm here while recording the meeting, and I'm wondering how long it's going to take till the landlord is going to be charged for digging a hole and breaking a sewage pipe and not informing me of the living conditions there, when he was supposed to in 2007 by Dean Schuler. And why I wasn't notified in 2007 when Dean was there on an investigation.
There is pending litigation, and this hole that you're talking about, it's not part of the litigation. When was the hole dug?
It was dug in May 2010.
There's pending litigation on the case. As everybody knows, I'm not going to comment more about it. So we've addressed it.
So eventually he's going to get charged. For violating the ordinance.
Civil case is already filed against him, yeah.
Okay, and
case is already filed against him.
Can you ask me why Dean never charged him, but yet charged?
I can't answer those questions. All I can tell you is we've got the civil case pending, and at this stage I'm not going to comment upon it because it's in court.
Okay, but you never called me back whenever I asked. The last meeting I was there in June, I asked Kathy, and Kathy said that she would tell you to call me.
The supervisors went out and looked the last time you were here when I was here.
Yeah, we
went out and checked that issue, and there appeared to be no issue. Okay, since that time, I haven't.
Yeah, and they sent me a letter. They sent me a letter documenting that. Why didn't somebody send me a letter in 2007 when Dean was there?
I don't know why there wasn't a letter sent in 2007. All I can tell you is we've been addressing the issue in the litigation, and that's the most that I can comment about. The recent thing that you raised, supervisors went out, checked, and sent the letter back. There was no issue that they could tell. So we've addressed what we can at this stage, and we're still addressing it in the lawsuit itself.
Okay. And your secretary had said that she would have you call me. Are you going to ever
I'm not
call
going to. I'm not going to return a call and discuss the merits of the litigation because of the pending case.
Okay.
Okay. But the case is pending. We are working through the case. There have been additional parties that have been joined in the case, and that's all public record in the courthouse.
Okay, thank you. I've been in my home since July 29th was the last time that I was in it. And I have no idea what this thing is.
Maybe that's it. It's got insulation. I don't know.
Okay. Barbara Long.
Yes, I do.
Pardon?
Yes, I do. I was wondering when my complaint that was filed with Dean Schuler is going to be addressed. It's been it's February 21st, 2012, was only one of the many complaints that I filed that he hand-delivered to your office, and I have a letter that he said that he did that with, and a copy of it, Brad,
What complaint
just
is
in
this?
case.
What complaint is this?
It's one of many. You know, he led me to believe that he was doing an investigation.
We have.
I met with him.
Wait a second. We have pending litigation on this matter. This involves the mobile home park out here, does it not?
Yes.
And Burley. We have
Yes.
pending litigation. So we've already got a case filed, and the matter is pending. We're not going to discuss.
Who's going to address the conflict?
We're not going to. We already
Because
have.
I've got emails where he wants to filter information, and I've had enough. Because
we already
when I
have-
was able to come here, you guys told me you didn't know who the property owner
already
was.
ha- we
I don't
already-
care who the property owner
Here's the
is.
thing. Here's the thing. Okay.
Yeah.
I've
thing
already,
is, my son's
I've
life has
already
been
told you
very
that
traumatized.
the
He's been
case
through a
has
lot,
been
and I'm tired of
filed.
it.
Okay. So that's you get one
And you're
question,
leaving
and
people
I've
live
told,
on
I've told
contaminated
you
ground?
once. The next time we're going to go ahead and call the cops, or we're going to have you nailed for harassment.
For
You
what?
understand?
Because I want
Because
help.
you're disrupting a public meeting. I've told you that it's in pending litigation. You're aware of that. And you want me to comment upon the merits of the case. I'm not going to do that at this point with pending litigation. The case is filed
Is
with the
my
Bedford
ca- I
County
have an
Court
easy-
of Common Pleas.
It's been over 3 years.
The case is filed, and I'm not going to say it to you
You
again.
told me other people
Go
were...
ahead and call the cops. We're going to go ahead and have them come out.
Go ahead.
Bedford
I
County.
don't have to be bad.
All I
at the
want to
public
know
meeting.
is if my complaint is
not-
going to be
We're
filed.
not going
That's
to.
all I wanted
We're
to
not
know,
going
if my
to address
complaint
it
was
further.
ever going to be addressed.
This is the same issue. This is the same issue. We already have a pending
You told me it
case.
didn't have nothing to do with
I
it.
didn't tell you anything
last
about
meeting,
that.
yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I didn't tell you anything.
My son, he was
I
only
didn't tell you
14
that.
years old.
I'm not going to listen
He
to
was
you. Go ahead and
14
call the
years
cops.
old when this
Go ahead and call
happened.
the cops. Go ahead and get them here.
I'm not talking to her.
Yeah.
Fine. You'll be here